Hey all, I'm Reese here from Finder.com. Today we're looking at Earnin and its Pay Advance app. If you need an advance on your paycheck, Earnin may be able to help at a low cost. Earnin is an app that allows you to borrow between $50 and $500 from your paycheck before it hits your bank account. The cash out feature starts by allowing you to borrow $100 per pay period of money you've already earned, but that maximum can vary based on your schedule. It tracks your location using your smartphone together with your timesheet to determine how often you work and, by extension, how much you earn. While this may seem invasive, Earnin has some features that may make up for the feeling of Big Brother tracking you. The most enticing feature Earnin boasts is probably its cost. You have the option to tip when you cash out, but it's not required. Tips range from $0 to $14 and are 100% optional. This makes it much less expensive than, say, a traditional payday loan. Earnin also has a feature called Lightning Speed. This allows you to get your funds in minutes, even on weekends, when you take out an advance. If you don't sign up for Lightning Speed by connecting your debit card, it typically takes 1 to 2 business days for your funds to hit your bank account. You'll also find several other features, including Balance Shield, a tool that allows Earnin to automatically deposit up to $100 in your bank account when your balance slips below $100 to avoid overdraft fees, though this is only available if you're regularly adding timesheets. It also offers cashback rewards that you can claim when you enroll in eligible MasterCard, Visa, or American Express debit or credit card. You can earn anywhere from 1 to 10% in cash rewards by shopping at participating stores. Health Aid lets you tap into free help negotiating current and past due medical bills to try and lower your payments. And Financial Calendar, which is a tool to help you keep track of your monthly expenses and earnings. As with any service of its kind, Earnin comes with a number of benefits and drawbacks. On the good side, it offers services without membership fees, only optional tips, same-day funding to users who link their qualifying debit card, and a number of financial help programs to keep your wallet full. But on the not as great side, it requires you to use location services and upload your weekly schedule, is limited to the number of hours you've already worked, and requires you to have a regular pay date. So what are the requirements to cash out with Earnin? We've already talked about a few, but let's lay them all out. The first is that you have to have already earned money in your current pay period. The second is that you can't draw more than the maximum for your pay period, which can vary from $50 to $500. And the third is that your bank account balance can't be more than $100 in the red. While Earnin works on an optional tip system, it really is best for emergencies. If you need gas to get to work, have an unexpected bill that pops up, or need to grab some extra groceries before your next payday, Earnin is a low-cost alternative to a payday loan. You won't be able to cover a large expense, and you're limited to what you've already worked. So it's not going to be helpful if you need more than $500 or you're only a day into your pay period. And you won't be able to qualify at all if you don't get paid on a regular schedule. To get started with Earnin, just follow these simple steps. 1. Download the Earnin app and tap Get Started, Next, and then sign up. 2. Enter your first and last name, email, and create a password. Then tap Next. 3. Go to your email and retrieve the verification number. Enter it and hit Create Account. You'll still need to provide your bank account details using Plaid along with your employer info and connect your debit card. Once the information is verified by Earnin, you can get your cash. From there, you can choose the amount you want to cash out and how much you want to tip. You can read our full review of Earnin and compare other Pay Advance apps over at Finder.com. Like this review? Click the thumbs up and hit the bell so you're the first to know when new Finder videos drop. Thanks for watching.